Hey everyone, this is the Trader Investor coming to you on Tuesday morning. Today is May 18th, 2021. Looking at the markets again. How are they going to open? What kind of day are we having? And what is my expectation for entry positions in SPYs, Qs, IWM, and diamonds? So yesterday we had an inside day, which did not break the current structure that we're in, meaning we are reversing the pullback. We had a pullback and we broke structure of that pullback, so we're reversing that pullback. We did not break that structure, so I'm still biased to the upside because that's the current structure that we see. Now yesterday we had an inside day, as I mentioned a moment ago, and today are we having another inside day, meaning the high of yesterday and the low of yesterday, are we going to stay inside of that or are we going to break outside of that? So as soon as the markets open in just less than a minute, we will be able to see these lines move. These are Friday's high, Friday's close, Friday's low, but that will adjust as soon as the markets open. And the pre-market is saying we're opening pretty much flat. And even when you look at the ES, you can tell we're opening pretty much flat. So then I want to see, are we going to break to the upside? Are we going to break to the downside? This area of liquidity that was really manipulated yesterday, you saw it multiple times, passed it, passed it, passed it, passed it, passed it, but every time it passed it, it reversed. And so do we have that at play? And what I want to see is this first 15 minutes, we have this high of yesterday. I want to push out of that. If we stay below this high of yesterday, I'm going to be cautious entering a call option position because I don't want this to act as a headwind. Even if we get past this, Friday's high could act as a headwind. So 417.50 area, 417.40 area, from 416.40 area, we have about $1 move. This might not be a strong area of resistance, so I am not too concerned trying to get that dollar move if the 15 minutes gives us that dollar move, meaning the high of today's 15 minutes, the first 15-minute range, cannot be above this high of yesterday. If it's above, then I lose that opportunity for $1. Therefore, I'm going to exit or not even consider entering that position. On the put side, we have the 15-minute range low of yesterday. That is a headwind. We have this area that was manipulated. That is a headwind. So I want to see where that 15 minutes closes before entering a position. If the 15 minutes closes below the range of yesterday's 15 minutes, I'm more comfortable to go from the 415 area to 414 area. That's a little bit of more of a comfortable entry position, but outside of that, I'm not in a hurry to jump in. An inside day followed by another inside day is just a setup for us for maybe tomorrow to have an explosive move, if that's what it wants to give us. So let's be patient. Let's just have the charts give us the trades. Let's not force any trades. And what about the Qs? Qs, again, contained in yesterday's highs and lows. If we break the highs of the 15-minute range and we are above yesterday's highs, then I'm more comfortable to enter to the long side, but again, not be in any specific hurry because, you know, anything that's a headwind, I don't like to specifically rush and trade. For some reason, the high of yesterday was not this value. My chart is not printing it right. If we look at the daily, the high of yesterday, I guess it is right. I'm just not seeing it clearly on my 15 minutes chart. So that is right. That is the high of yesterday. So I want to see a break of high of yesterday or a break of the 15 minutes range of yesterday, 323.40 area, because that gives us to the 321.50 area. That gives us enough space. So I want to see this broken or this broken before I enter a trade. IWM, what is IWM doing? IWM is right smack against the high of yesterday. So what I want to do is have a price break this 15-minute range, because my target is then this imbalance. So 321.80 to 323, that gives me more than $1, depending on where we close this 15-minute range. Then that is a comfortable entry for me to close this imbalance. On the downside, I need to see this low of the 15-minute range of yesterday broken, the low of yesterday broken, to be even more comfortable, because 219.10 to about 217.90 is a distance here. So depending on where we break it, if we still have room for that $1, we can enter a put position. But overall, the markets are still intact. They've broken the downtrend and they're resuming the uptrend. An inside day is just beautiful setup for the next trading day. So I'm okay if it stays to be an inside day. Diamonds, same story. I want to see the high of yesterday, which is the same as the 15-minute range high. I want to see that broken. But we have this imbalance. So once that is broken, does it give me enough room, 345.20 to about 346.40? Does it give me enough room of an entry depending on where that 15-minute range is? I want to take a look at that before jumping into a trade. And on the downside, I want to see the low of yesterday broken. Then we have a lot of room to go to the downside. So let's see how that plays out. So this is how the markets are setting up as we open. Another 10 minutes or so to set the 15-minute range, and then we will take a look at the charts to give us an entry or a no entry. Based on that, I'll give you an analysis at the end of the day how the markets did. Alright, don't forget to like this video and come back later on today to see how it ended. Did your trades go according to plan? Did your trades take advantage of the setups? Did you skip trades because you were not feeling comfortable? These are all the things that this video is going to help you understand so that you can make better trades moving forward. Alright everyone, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.